Are you looking for a liquid cooler that not only keeps your system cool but also looks seriously impressive? Then stick around, because this AIO cooler comes with a truly unique feature you've probably never seen before. Let's be honest. How often do you see a liquid cooler with a full-fledged AMO LED display? Exactly. That's what makes this cooler a real eye-catcher. The large 6.5-inch display sits on top of the pump housing and can be rotated freely by 90 or 180 degrees. You can show custom images, system stats, or stylish animations, all with rich colors and crystal clear resolution. The design is well thought out. The entire cooler comes in a matte black finish that fits perfectly into modern PC builds. The magnetically guided cables help keep the inside of your case clean and organized. No cable mess, no frustration. Under the hood, a powerful Aztec pump does the work, running between 2,800 and 3,600 RPM. Even then, it stays surprisingly quiet at around 25 decibels. Combined with the 14.2-inch radiator and the three 120mm fans, you get solid cooling performance. Ideal for high-performance CPUs with up to 280 watts TDP. As for the fans, they run pleasantly quiet, even at higher speeds. At a maximum of 1,850 RPM, they move nearly 66 CFM of air. Plenty of airflow without turning your room into a wind tunnel. The ARGB lighting can of course be customized and matched to your setup. Best of all, everything can be controlled easily through the KANALI software, from the display to the lighting. Sure, this AIO cooler costs a bit more than a standard model, but it's clearly aimed at users who care not only about performance, but also about aesthetics and customization. So if you want to keep your system cool efficiently and take its visual appeal to the next level, this might be exactly what you're looking for. You'll find the link to the deal, as always, down in the description. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of this cooler? Pros: large rotatable AMO LED display, unique on the market. Strong cooling performance for high-end processors. Very quiet operation, even under load. Clean, modern design with magnetic cable management. Wide compatibility with Intel and AMD sockets. Cons: more expensive than standard AIO coolers. Falls slightly short under sustained extreme loads. Display is more for looks, no direct performance gain. If you're looking for an AIO liquid cooler that doesn't just work well but also stands out as a true highlight inside your case, this model is definitely worth checking out. Make sure to look at the offers linked in the video description for current pricing and availability. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future reviews.